A new adventure may be underway. I'm excited to show everybody here once I get it to where I'm going. And yes, I am driving the new adventure, by the way. I'm gonna just make the suspense build a little bit longer. We'll catch some bits and pieces of the cruise, and then when I get to my destination, shoot a little bit more video and let everybody know what is going on. Stay tuned. Well, the wait is nearly over. The suspense has built sufficiently while we continue to stare at the ground and sneak a peek of my shoe. I'm ready to unveil the new project. And I say project, but that doesn't mean I have any idea what I'm going to do with it yet. Some of you may have already guessed based on this bumper, perhaps, or maybe the dash, the gauges that you saw previously. If this doesn't give it away, oh man. Da, 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 da. Ain't she a Beaut, Clark? Look at this bad boy, a 1971 Dodge Motorhome. And it's a little shorty. It's got a 360 and a torque flight in it. Dana 60. So I can't say that I was in the market, for one. Can't say that I was even really looking. Who am I kidding? I always look. Right? I can't not look for stuff. But this one came along. Kind of just fell into my lap, really, and it was too good of a deal to pass up. So you can see this one, it's an older one, it's got a few issues, stuff like that. It's definitely had water damage. This side, I would say with a surety that it's had panels replaced, or sections of panels. This is the side, unfortunately, that I think made it priced too good to be true, so to speak. This panel is peeling off of the rig all the way up. See some separation here in the wood. Quite a big gap. So that's the unfortunate part. The water damage is significant. At least, you know, on that wall and the cabinet behind it. I haven't been on the roof yet, but I didn't really worry too much about it. All right, stepping up into some absolutely beautiful shag carpet. if you like that dense green shag. It is green. I'm not sure if you can tell from the way the light's hitting it. There's a little bit better example. Actually, that's a different shade, different carpet. So there you go. More green though. What do you think of these captain's chairs? Wow. Yep. I'd sure like to sit in those. Across the way, the slide out bed. Let's head back in here to the bathroom. There's the toilet. The sink with some critters. A closet. The closet has spare parts. We got distributor cap, coil. I thought this had a mechanical pump, but that looks to be an electric fuel pump. I gotta know. Oh, that is a spare mechanical pump. It looks to use, so it's probably good, just a backup plan. Rotor, spare belt. Looks like moisture has found its way in here too. Some spare gaskets, fuel line, probably a siphon hose there. This deal just keeps getting better and better. Oh, dear God. Oh, Lord. Sorry to scare you. More water issues. We do have a little bit of water damage. A little bit. We have a lot of water damage here in the shower. And as you all know about motorhomes, the water needs to stay on the outside. It is unfortunate. This would be a cool little rig, man, to drive around in and go racing with. Seeing inside these cabinets really kind of, I don't know if you want to say influences my decision. Obviously, one of the options is restore. That will be significant structure on that side. I mean, the paneling's all gonna have to come off. The wood framing replaced. Some attempt was done in the ceiling, you know, to fix it by the previous owner. But kind of like I'm feeling now, I think he felt it was just gonna be a little bit much to sort that out. And we've got buddies. That's the other thing. When water can get in, critters can get in. So I'm sure there's a bunch of those guys living in here too. But down here, this is where the magic happens. My seat for approximately 25-30 miles when we drove it. I'm gonna guess that this gauge cluster may have given it away for some. But if not, awesome. There's Old Red. I should do a story on Old Red one of these days. I actually grew up driving Old Red. Old Red is my dad's truck. Drove that to school off and on. Hauled a race car with it for several years. Really, just an awesome truck for a Ford. I actually love that truck. Going through this drawer I had never opened up. Interesting. Got some fittings, got some extra lights, some lenses, some decongestants. The Gold Strike Inn and Casino. Nice. Well, this will be cool. fuel cap, ignition parts, trailer plug, missing lens cover for the rear tail light. Actually, I hadn't popped the glove compartment open either. It was just such a good deal. I didn't even need to get that far to know I wanted it. Garfield. A notepad. A rotor, some pins, some randoms. Pretty cool. Those armrests, door panels, in really nice shape. These seats aren't horrible. Obviously some splitting, some cracking in the seams. And under this doghouse is the powerhouse, the 360. All right, it's a little toasty today, so I'm gonna step back outside. Remember when I said I didn't even get on the roof? Well, I wanted to get on the roof. I needed to see it. The roof does look pretty crusty as well. All of the previous attempts at sealing have dried out significantly and, well, certainly allowing moisture in a lot of places. Well, friends, looking down the barrel of the worst part of it, you can definitely see that there is significant repair needed. And if it's that obvious on the outside, chances are it just gets uglier as you get in. So, my mind, I would not say is made up, but I'm certainly leaning away from restoration. But that said, look at that beautiful grill. Anyway, that said, I am looking for inspiration, looking for ideas. If you have any ideas of what I should do with this thing, it's going to live on no matter what. Either in, drivetrain moving to something else, maybe turning this thing into a little flatbed hauler. Plenty of options, plenty of ideas. Let me hear yours. And anyway, I hope to get working on it soon, hopefully sometime this summer, but we'll see what happens. So subscribe to see the progress. Send those ideas my way. And hopefully we'll be rocking on this thing soon. Thanks for watching.